Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with power removed and a grounded workspace. That's critical to prevent shorts and static damage. Once done, flip the surface, remove the rubber feet or service covers, and start removing screws in a systematic order. Make sure to keep screws labeled and photographed because the bottom panel uses varying lengths. As you pry the panel, use a plastic spudger and gentle heat to soften adhesive. This protects the display assembly and lets you access the internals safely. You now expose the battery and the cable to the main board. You must disconnect that connector first to avoid power while working. Next, remove any brackets securing the pack and gently pull adhesive tabs. If tabs break, apply 90% plus isopropyl to loosen glue and wait a minute. Once free, lift the battery from the case without bending cells. Keep screws and shield plates in order and inspect the connector and bonding tape for damage before fitting the new pack. You seat the replacement battery flat, align the connector, and reconnect it before reattaching any brackets or adhesive tape. This ensures correct pin seating and prevents shorting. Once secured, power on the surface with the bottom still accessible to confirm post, battery recognition, and charging behavior. If the device fails to detect the battery, shut down and reseat the connector. Finally, reassemble in reverse, using your photos to restore screws. If charging stalls, try a BIOS reset or update firmware as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.